Good morning, everybody. Today we will see the preparation of Moong Dal Dosa with fresh coriander chutney. Before we begin, let us look at the ingredients that are needed. So we will need Moong Dal, which is to be soaked for about 30 to 45 minutes. And once you soak it, this is how it looks. This is the soaked Moong Dal. This has to be now blended in a blender into a fine paste. And for the chutney, we will need fresh coriander leaves, fresh curry leaves, and cumin seeds for taste and as a spice. These cumin seeds will also be added to the batter prepared out of the moong dal, which is blended in the blender. This is the batter which has been prepared in a blender with the soaked moong dal. Now we'll add a little bit of finely chopped coriander leaves into it, and about a teaspoon of cumin seeds for taste, and salt to taste. So now this batter is ready. It has to be mixed. And then the preparation of the dosa is the next stage. This is a blender that we have taken. Now we'll be adding the ingredients for the chutney. First is the coriander, fresh coriander, then fresh curry leaves, a few leaves, about 4 or 5, and cumin seeds as much as required for taste, and a little bit of salt as per your requirement. So all this is mixed. Now we mix a little bit of water into it and then blend it into a paste, into a chutney on a blender. Now this is how the chutney finally becomes when you blend it in a blender, which is then to be served along with the hot dosas. Okay, this is the hot plate on which we are going to prepare the dosa. Should be heated, and then a little bit of oil to be applied and spread on the tawa. Now the dosa batter which was taken and made ready will be applied onto this. You can hear the sound, and then it's very thinly spread, just like a pancake. Make it round, and then what you need to do is cover it with a lid so that it cooks evenly on all sides, front and back, just for a few seconds. You can see it becoming red, brown. So once it cooks properly, we'll close the lid for a few more seconds. Just slowly ease it out of the pan. The batter is it's a little bit thicky sometimes and it sticks. Just pour a little bit of oil so that it cooks. Now you can see how the dosa is made, just like the pancake, and then you flip it around. Yes, you can see the wonderful brown, golden brown crust being formed. So allow it to cook for a few seconds, about maybe 10 seconds or so that it just, you can see on the, when you flip it, it's a little bit sticky still. It still has to cook on the borders. Yes, now you can see how it's being cooked on both the sides. Yes, you just fold it and then dosa is served with coriander chutney, ready to eat. A very healthy and nourishing recipe which can be made very quickly. The overall preparation time, including the soaking of the moong dal, will not take more than 30 to 40 minutes. Add a little bit of ghee on the dosa, spread it around. The amount of ghee added can be as per your taste. So we hope that today you have learned how to make a very tasty recipe, moong dal dosa with coriander chutney. Thank you.